by die statue
Ja.
voor is dat hy sit.
Ja. Ek sien die voor, ja.
En daar's 'n rede vir daai.
He's pretty small, eh?
Very nice and green though.
Yeah. But yeah, let's hit the road. How's this coffee shop next to this road? It's like seriously different.
Yeah, super cool, eh?
Look at this. Amazing.
We can take a turn around.
Yeah. Wow.
It's too hot for coffee for me now.
Yeah, definitely. You can smell it. It smells great, eh?
But it's a cute setup.
A really brilliant idea.
And he's got customers, so that's fantastic.
People stop next to the road for an iced coffee or a
Yeah.
normal coffee.
Lots of flavors.
Really interesting.
Very cool.
There's Wellington. Wellington.
Another blockhouse.
Look at the blockhouse.
Get close up here.
No.
Gate is closed.
And locked. Welcome in Wellington. Welcome in Wellington. Welcome to Wellington.
Same thing.
This is the main road of Wellington.
You sound very sure of yourself. How, may I ask, do you know?
The map. it's the name of the street is called Main Road, so I presume it's Main Road.
That's a good enough reason for me. Oh, it's quite a neat town.
I must say, I'm impressed.
Creates a good impression.
It does.
Drakenstein Municipality.
Okie dokes. These old buildings, wow.
Yeah, lots of them.
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking about this one
Yes.
specifically?
Look at the church.
Here's your church. I think you'll find that church is rather old.
I think so.
And here's our pass, which is closed.
Yeah.
Turn left here.
To the pass. Yeah.
So we would have come through here.
I think so, but I got to check my map again.
Andrew Murray,
1828.
that's when he was born, I think.
Yeah. Well, I've stopped here at the Wellington Church. Just want to have a look.
En hier is die gang. Dit is die kapel wat ons noem die kapel. Dit is eintlik nou die plek waar die dominees by mekaar gekom het, maar dit is nou uit met die COVID en dis weer.
O, hulle doen dit nie meer nie, ja.
Hier is ons dominees almal vanaf IF de Tooi. Hy was die eerste dominee by hier gewees.
O, was hy die eerste dominee?
1840 tot hy was 30. Ja, hy was so 30 jaar oud.
Wow.
En dan gaan ons oor na Andrew toe. Die kerk is genoem na Andrew Murray en daar die ander span het nog gevolg. Soos hulle gevolg het,
Kyk nou net hoor.
En dan baie bekende ouens, dan is David Williams, hy was ook hier so. Ons springbok kaptein.
Ja, ek onthou, ja.
Hy was ook hier en hierdie dametjie.
Ja.
Die kerk, dis ons Andrew Murray moederkerk.
Ja.
Nou sy is die eerste vroue prediker in hierdie kerk, Letty Boegner.
Ja.
Ons sien dit is 2005.
Tot nou toe.
Ja, ze is nog steeds hier, maar daar is nog niks aan daar nie.
Okay.
En de kerk is genoem na haar as die moeder van ons.
Regtig. So sy is die eerste vroue predikant. Okay.
Dit is nou ons kerk hier binne.
Wow.
Hy is gebou in 1840.
1840.
Ja, en die vleuels is later aangesit.
O, okay.
Die vleuels is later aangesit en hierdie gedeelte was nog steeds net soos hy is.
Van 1840.
1840.
Kan jy. So dit was eers hierdie gedeelte gewees
Gedeelte.
en toe sit hulle hierdie twee kante toe aan. So hierdie stoele, is dit nog die oorspronklike stoele? Kan jy glo van
hulle word getuin, hulle word gesien.
1840. Dis
Dan het
ongelooflik.
hierdie preekstoel is die preekstoel waarvan Andrew maar gepreek het.
Regtig.
Dis die einste preekstoel waarvan Andrew gepreek het. En dan sê jy ook sien by die statue
Ja.
voor is dat hy sit.
Ja. Ek sien die voor, ja.
En daar is 'n rede vir hy. Hy het 'n swaar ernstige rugprobleem gehad. En dit hier vlak voor hierdie preekstoel het hy gesit en preek.
Regtig.
Het hy gestaan, het gesit en preek.
And yes, the statue of Andrew Murray, who he explained about, used to preach from his chair because he had back problems. Interesting. So yes, all the preachers from the beginning till now. Very interesting, eh? What a beautiful church, and I'm so glad I got to go inside. So much history.
Gardens now, hey?
Beautiful.
Coronation Arch, Edward VII, 1902.
It's like the Edward VII's tree, you remember? This is a Jubilee Park here in the center of Wellington. Beautiful, beautifully manicured. How's it, man? 1897 coronation arch. Oh, it's Edward VII, 1902. But it's all locked up, there's no way to get in here.